Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we're partnering up with Unice Hair. They sent me their 24-inch Brazilian body wave in a natural black. I would like to add that the hair came in disinfected, and I really do like that because we are still in a pandemic. The hair did come in a natural black, but I did want sort of like a jet black. So I went in and did this extra step. I went in with the Revlon Soft Black number 11. So I was not applying it in any strategic way. I literally was just any spot that I saw needed to dye, I was just plastering it there. So with the U Part Wig units, it comes with 2 mesh on the top, and at the back it comes with a lace. And you just want to cut those off like how I do here. I'm just showing you here the 6 clips that these wigs come in. These clips are really good in securing your wig. You really don't need anything else. Honestly, these already do the job. Off camera, I really went in and added some bumps into the hair. I already went in and like blow dried my hair. I kind of straightened these a little bit, but as you can see, I do have 4C hair. My hair is not heat trained or anything like that, so I'm gonna use 2 straighteners. One for obviously my longer hair. I'm gonna use a longer flat iron for the longer length hair, and obviously my mini flat iron for the harder to reach hair. I'm gonna go in with my Chi Silk Infusion. I'm just going to apply this on my hair just so it can help with silk, just so it can help with the my silkiness and my sleekness, my shininess that I have. I want it to match. Going in with my flat iron in the lowest heat, 300, and I'm just gonna go in with pieces for straightening my hair because I want to wear this style for like a while. So I find that when I like section out my hair into smaller pieces and straighten it, it does last longer for me. So I'm gonna do that method. bit too much leave out on this section, so I'm gonna try to go in and like pull it more forward. I really do enjoy this. This is like something completely different. It feels very much nostalgic actually. If you need something quick and fast and super easy to do and still look cute. So this is Unice 24-inch U Part Wig. This is the 150 density. The hair texture came in a natural black, but I just went ahead and dyed it black. The natural color that this came with, it still looks cute. I could have just went in with that. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.